squirt it out.
So we're going to Whole Foods to play Russian roulette with a bunch of pastries from Too Good to Go. We don't know what we're gonna get, but it's going to be within the baking category of things. And hopefully it's not straight garbage, because if it is, then I'm just gonna return it. And I'm gonna be like, hey, I actually ordered the $300 supplements and vitamins, and I think you guys gave me the wrong package. And then, in great Whole Foods fashion, they're going to hit me with a refund. But I'll let you know when we get there, and then we're going to go through the motion, and we're going to review these pastries. Guys, we are here at the Whole Foods, and we're actually not doing a pastry review, we're doing a Cybertruck review. So, we're actually doing a car review. That's the car I came in, and we're gonna blow it up today. And with that, I will give you a review on how durable the car is. Let's go to Whole Foods. Pizza. Imagine they gave me a whole case. That would be pretty good.
That looks, and there's something else underneath.
Those burger buns?
Yeah.
I'm not eating that. We got the bag, and it's looking pretty promising. For $5 to $6, I'd say it's a pretty good deal. I mean, you divide it up, if it's $6, it's $2 a piece for something that would cost normally $15 on average. But we still have to try and see how old they are, because they could easily be about 2 weeks old and taste like absolute garbage. So we're gonna try them and actually see if they're worth it.
Period, Anglesi. Now try that orange juice. Let me know how you like it.
Orange juice review. I'd rate it a solid 5 yas out of 10.
Okay.
I mean, it's alright for quote-unquote organic orange juice. Look at that car. Look at that Cybertruck. What if I just backed right into it? What if I just freaking yoinked that John? Think insurance will cover it, guys? Let me know down below if insurance will cover it. We're back home. We're back home. We're back home. Let's see what we got. It's gonna be good. I mean, I already know it's gonna be good. I already saw it. But for argument's sake, it's gonna be good. First up, brioche dinner rolls. I don't know what I'd use these for, but we're gonna use them. Lemon pastries. Lemon cheese Danish. Sounds bathroom inducing. And finally, chocolate chip scones. Dry as hell. But doesn't matter until we actually try the things. And then we give the full rating. And for context, I'm going to warm them up and see if they're good warmed up, because if you're eating these the way they are now, they're automatically going to get a -2. Warmed up is the true challenge. So let's warm them up. Let's see. Yeah, so this is how we're looking like, warmed up. Honestly, it does not look appetizing on camera, so I'm kind of concerned. Speaking that this is basically dinner for me, let's start with the dinner roll. Six out of 10. Next up, the scone. One bite, you guys know the rules. Four out of 10, not good. And finally, the lemon cheese Danish. Three out of 10, not good. Well, this was the worst food review to ever be produced. Should you do it? Yeah. For mediocre pastries, you should definitely do it. But if you're bougie and fancy just like myself, and actually you don't enjoy pastries, then you shouldn't do it. But overall experience, 8 out of 10. Would recommend. Yeah. Alright. Next video, I don't know when. Bye.